Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap haul, local and long-distance movers near me. When you choose us, you can expect our dedicated Hull local TM movers to handle every aspect of your move with utmost care and professionalism. During local moves, our experienced movers will carefully pack your belongings using high-quality packing materials to ensure their safety during transportation. We will efficiently load and unload the items onto our well-maintained moving trucks, utilizing proper equipment and techniques to prevent damage. One of the advantages of being 3 movers is our familiarity with the streets and neighborhoods of Hull. Our extensive knowledge of the city allows us to navigate efficiently, saving valuable time and minimizing potential delays. While there are similarities between local and long-distance moves, there are differences in how we approach each. We meticulously plan every aspect of the journey for long-distance moves from or to Hull, MA. Our experienced Hull long-distance 3 movers will carefully pack your belongings, paying extra attention to fragile items to protect them during transit. We utilize secure packaging materials and employ effective loading techniques to prevent shifting or damage during the long haul. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hull moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form